You're preparing for WAEC, you're in the right spot. So we have this theory question here on how to write structural formula. This is a question from WAEC. So they said, write the structural formula of the following: 2,2,4-trimethylpentane, ethyl metanoate, and trans-2,3-dimethylbutene. Trans-2,3-dimethylbutene. So these are very, very simple structures. Is that clear? I just want to guide you on how to write them easily. Exactly. It might not be this one, it might come in another format, but with this understanding, with this knowledge, now you can answer the question if you see it subsequently in your exam. Now let's start with the first one. The first one is 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. Very, very simple. Now, the first thing you do here, look at the root compound is a saturated hydrocarbon. That means they all have single bond. Is that clear? Pentane. So pentane is pen, that's five carbon. So that will guide you. So first thing for saturate it first with single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is that clear? Good. Now the next thing is to identify, to take note of what the substituent group. So trimethyl, telling you that you have 3 methyl group. Now the locant, the location of the substituent group rather is what? 2, 2, 4. So this is first carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon, or you start from here 1, 2, because there's no functional group here to stress yourself with. There's no functional group. Functional group is in single bond. So you don't need to stress yourself with looking at where you start from. Is that clear? So in this case now, I've already have my root hydrocarbon 5. Now it's to place the substituent group at the different locants indicated here. 2, 4, 2 to 4. So let me number this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at position 2, I have methyl groups. So a methyl group is CH3. A methyl group is CH3. Okay, so we've now done that. At position 2 and position 2, up and down, we have methyl group. Is that clear? Now, also at position 4, we have another methyl group, CH3. Is that clear? The next thing you have to do now is to now saturate the carbons. Please have in mind that carbon is entitled to only 4 bonds. Only what? 4 bonds. So you're saturating the carbon with hydrogen, but ensure that it has 4 bonds. So this already have 1. So I need 1, 2, 3, 4. I put my hydrogen. Okay. Now this have 1, 2, 3. So I put another one here. This have 1, 2. I put this. Okay. So I now have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now this other one have 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's complete. Now the last one have only 1. So I have put 1, 2, 3, and 4. And voila, we are done with what? 2,2,4 trimethylpentane. Full mark. You don't pass that one. The second one is ethyl metanoate. Ethyl metanoate. Okay, we are done with this structure. Now let's draw for methyl metanoate. Ethyl metanoate rather. Ethyl metanoate. Okay, now the first thing I should do here is to note the family of, or we call it homologous series. Which family of compound is this? These are esters. Okay, these are what? Esters. Alkanoids. Esters are formed from what? The reaction between an acid and an alcohol. Are you following? An acid and an alcohol. And again, please note that this part of the name came from where? Came from the alcohol. This part came from the alcohol. Then this part came from what? The acid. Take note of that. Are you following? Now, which alcohol and which acid gave us ethyl metanoate? Good. I want to guide you easily. So now, the alcohol will be what? Ethanol. And the acid will be what? Metanoic acid or formic acid. Metanoic acid or formic what? Acid. Is that clear? Good. Now, what is the formula of what? Ethanol and formic acid. Ethanol is just simply CH3CH2OH. That's ethanol. Then methanoic acid is simply HCOOH. That's methanoic acid. Is that clear? So when these two react together, we are going to have this ethyl methanoic. Now, how would I place the structure? Please note that in writing the structure of this, the formula of this will come first before the formula of this. So now, if I'm writing the formula of this becomes what? HCOO. Are you following? Or I want to saturate it, I can put O here, then I put O here. The hydrogen have been lost. Are you following? The hydrogen will be lost, so that now OH should be lost from here. Hydrogen, this hydrogen and the OH is going to be lost from here to form water because it's a condensation reaction. So now, you see this part? This is the acid part. Will now combine with what? This other part. CH2CH3 plus what? Water. Okay? So this is the compound. So what we want to name now, we'll name from this part. This is ethyl methanoate. Very, very simple. You just need to understand the logic, the basic here, so that I don't make any mistake. So this is it. If you have any questions, say drop it in the comment section. Now the last one here is what? Trans 2,3-dimethyl butene. Trans 2,3-dimethyl butene. This is a geometric compound. Are you following? A geometric compound. And this is very common to what alkenes. Are you following? Compounds that have double bonds. Is that clear? Alkenes. Precisely the butene family. Okay, butene. So now we have trans. Trans means that the heavy groups are on opposite side of the double bond. Are you following? We have two types of geometric isomerism, of geometric isomers. We have the trans and the cis. Trans means that the heavy groups are on opposite side of the double bond, while cis means that are on the same side of the what? Double bond. Now, trans 2,3-dimethyl butene. But is 4, right? So we have a double bond between the carbon here. So when I say trans, the heavy group. Now, what is the heavy group here? Methyl. Are you following? Methyl is CH3. CH what? 3. So this becomes what? H, and this becomes what? H. That's what? This is trans. This is trans. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So trans 2, 3. Are you following? Trans 2, 3. So at position 2, we have the methyl group. Position 4 and 3, you have the methyl group. Are you following? But this is part of the chain. Trans 2, 3, trans 2, 3, dimethyl, but 2 because 2 in, because the double bond is at position 2 in. So as if it was cis is what? This. You put your CH3, the two heavy groups on the same side. Are you following? Then your H and your H. Okay? So you can say 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that clear? So this is cis.